When I grow up, I want to be a singer. Stand on the stage and let my voice ring out. La la la, I'll sing so brightly, bring smiles and light to everyone. Someday I can be anything, work hard in my own way. Dreams will grow bigger as I grow up. I can make it all come true. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor, help sick people so they can feel strong again and full of joy. I'll be there to soothe their fears. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher,